Hi guys, my name is Max and I see you took the red pill. Well, let me tell you something. This course has the power of changing your life. You will see why right away. So you might have taken one of my courses in the past, or maybe a course from my partner Matt, or perhaps this is the first course that you take from me or from iMarket Excel. So regardless if this is your first course or not, I want to welcome you to this course and to iMarket Excel's family. So let me tell you a little bit about myself. I first started out making money online when I was 17 years old. Somehow, during that year, I came across with a guy that was actually making a lot of money online. His name is Tim Becker, and he came across one of the PDFs that I was publishing on my website about some marketing strategies and blog design. He told me he really liked the way that the PDFs were formatted, and he asked me about my skills. I've always been kind of a video content enthusiast. I love to communicate things in an audiovisual way. I've always loved to create, but creating videos is one of the things that drives me the most. So my first job as a video creator was with Tim when I was only 17 years old. With him I created all sorts of videos, from launch series to walkthrough tutorials. I was getting paid a lot of money by doing these small gigs. At the time I was really young and curious. I wanted to find out how he managed to make that much money using only the internet as his tool. And that's when I figured it out. Some of the videos I created ended up in squeeze pages where visitors were asked for their email addresses in exchange for video content. Other videos that ended up either in blog posts or email sequences were actually really thorough software walkthroughs followed by some affiliate links. Even though I had an idea of how Tim was making money, I never fully understood that we were selling other people's products for a profit until that point. In time, I started getting closer to Tim. He was my mentor, my source of knowledge. I wanted to find out everything that he was doing to make money as an affiliate so that eventually I could start doing that myself. I was completely mesmerized by the idea of making money out of a product that already exists. Making a profit out of something that you didn't have to spend a single dollar or second to create. All you had to do was generate an affiliate link, spread it around, and wait to get paid. With Tim, we did a lot of great things. We eventually created our own products. We also created CV Leads, a program that rewarded ClickBank affiliates for every lead that they generated. If you're taking this course, I'm pretty sure that you know what affiliate marketing is, but do you know the real power behind it? To me, Tim was a magician. He created money out of nowhere. He made dollars pop out of the blue just by spreading a link around his email list. And that's the root of my obsession with affiliate marketing. You see, affiliate marketing allows you to make money on your own schedule. Regardless of who you are, you can make money online as an affiliate. You can be a doctor, a lawyer, a programmer, a part-time employee, a stay-at-home mom, a football player, a coffee shop owner, a filmmaker, a college and even a high school student. Regardless of who you are or what you do, or if you currently have a job or not, you can be making money online as an affiliate as we speak. So this is the goal that I had in mind when I first created this online course. I'm not saying you should quit your job right away and live the sweet life with the earnings that will come from affiliate marketing. I just want to open your eyes to a new world of possibilities. A lot of people are suffering over money and bills and college tuition. Money is a constant issue on society's mind. So my promise is that if you take this course from start to finish, maybe money can stop being an issue for you. I don't want to change the world, but if I can change your life, even if it's just a little bit, that will change the world for me.